What are we learning about today?
Where do you think you're going?
All I wanted to do was draw.
You can't draw.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Watch me do it.
What? Let me see.
I'm going to have the best drawings in the world. Watch my paws go.
Oh, all you need is a pen and a pad. You gonna need to know this to tap into your imagination. Oh, baby, I like to draw. Yeah, baby, I like to draw. Oh, baby, I like to draw. Yeah, baby, I like to draw. Scribble, scribble, now we gon' sketch today. Pen in the pad and start sketching away. Try to break it down to smaller components. Drawn from my heart, I know that I'm in charge. Study details, this is how you start. Sketch out shapes, let's start with the ball. This is how you learn your skills. Time to shade it in, and that's what makes it look real now. Pencil down, sketching all around. Eraser's gone back up to hold it down. What I be seeing, I'm gonna sketch it today. I get better, yeah, elevate. Basic skills advance, sketches like bam. Turn the page, let's start sketching. I like the way you draw. Ooh, baby, I like to draw. Yeah, baby, I like to draw. Ooh, baby, I like to draw. Yeah, baby, I like to draw. Ooh, baby, I like to draw. Yeah, baby, I like to draw. Ooh, baby, I like to draw. Yeah, baby, I like to draw. Yeah, this next song you want to look so much. Yeah, when this next song today, and then you know, but good long since I think I'm finished. My effort, not all, I'm a push. Scribble, scribble, now we gon' sketch today. Pen in the pad and start sketching away. Scribble, scribble, now we gon' sketch today. Pen in the pad and start sketching away. Pen in the pad and start sketching away. Start sketching away. Start sketching away. Scribble, scribble, now we gon' sketch today. Pen in the pad and start sketching away. Pen in the pad and start sketching away. Then start sketching away. Then start sketching away. We gon' sketch today. We gon' sketch today. Then start sketching away. Then start sketching away.
I'm just a cat with a brush and a dream, painting my world in a moonlight gleam. So if you hear a meow and see a spark, that's just me making masterpieces after dark. Make sure you like and subscribe to the Yo Hadley Show. Holla!